Hey my chickadees, welcome back to the Back 40. It's Juju, and we have just, Junk Journal January. Good Lord Jesus. And we have day number 16 below. Okay, well, I went YouTube approved again, and this flow I did. This little set kind of flows because you pull it out. It's a little pull out there, and the colors kind of all flow together on the pull out. Take it to the back. Okay. And then we have like time because it flows and music flows, and then we have this nice river that me and my husband and family went and visited in Tennessee, and it's really nice, and the water just flows to that and very relaxing. So that's kind of the flow situation we have going on. And that here is a pocket with a journaling card in it because, you know, it's a junk journal. And that is my day number 16 below. Thank you. Y'all have a good one. Bye. Mwah. Love you.